Travelers, come on in. Please continue on in, travelers. Welcome. Welcome. My next builder is going to come around this way for you.
Yeah, we're together.
That's probably all right. My next. That's no problem. My last two builders.
I'm not a builder.
These are credentials at the very front of your stations.
Welcome. I know that we have a lot of secrecy out there, but now you are safe inside our workshop. Thank the skies. Of course, you've met my fellow gatherers, and you can call me Kimby. Now, as you look around the workshop, I'm sure you're thinking it's a lot of old junk, but please, let me clarify something. Some of it is new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what do we find? We bring here. So, where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may just ensure our future. Of course, you've heard of the legend of the great Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Well, we hear there is a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name?
Rey.
Yes, Rey. And what she leads is the spark of hope that we've all been waiting for. And that is why you're here. To build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been built by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough talk, huh? Let us begin. We will start with perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. The kyber crystal is able to focus the energy of the force and then magnify it. Some say it is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. Blue, wielded by the great Obi-Wan Kenobi, Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red. It is called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past, my friends. We are here for you. So now it is time for you to choose your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, please close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone, please, please. Now, I want you to picture it in your mind. And in your mind's eye, I want you to choose your color kyber crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that that crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and choose your crystal. Trust your instincts. What is calling to you? What color is yours? place them on the green crystal holder in front of you. Now, it's time to join your kyber crystal with the saber design that you have chosen. My friends, it is time to build the hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber, the center of control, if you will. It also keeps your hand from being disintegrated. And here's very important. Inside these boxes, you will find the components that you have chosen. We'll start with the chassis, the grips, emitters, pommel caps, and activation plates. Now, creating a lightsaber is a personal journey. So just as you have chosen your kyber crystal, you will now choose each piece to create a unique lightsaber. My fellow gatherers are here to assist you on your journey if you need any help. And now, my friends, let's build.
Travelers, my name's Courtney. I'm going to help you with your build today. We're going to start with our chassis, lines facing upwards. This will be the very top of your hilt where this hole is. We're going to take our kyber crystals, and we're going to insert our kyber crystals into the chambers here. I recommend putting the small part in first and the bottom should need it, which should light up and sync to you, and you'll be able to rotate it freely once it is in place. Make sure you move it. Perfect.
You'll see it light up and you'll be able to spin the
If you need any assistance, just let me know. Your next step, you're going to choose a single set of activation plates. So they do come as a pair within their boxes. Do we have it in there properly? Can I just double check it? Perfect. You're going to choose a single set of activation plates.
Next will be the activation plates. On the right, you can select any one of the two pairs. Please make sure you get their pieces together. Inside, you see some blue and red squares. They line up exactly with the blue and red squares that are on the chassis. Savi did it so that way it would be very organized and
Oh yeah, you didn't get that option either. Is that not?
What's that?
The leather one.
Oh
Yes,
yeah.
I will also. I'm finding that for you.
I don't know if you wanted that one, but
I
it'd be nice if you had
did,
that.
My apologies. So when choosing your activation plates, you're going to keep in mind there is a blue and a red tab. Make sure that they go directly on the blue and red tab.
select any two.
Just going to snap it right into place. And then the same one there. Next, you're going to choose any two of the 4 grips that you have on your left-hand side. This copper side here, the thicker part, is going to go towards the activation plates, no matter which side it's on, top or bottom. In order to attach those grips, you're going to use some pressure towards the activation plates and twist them lightly. So this piece is actually upside down. So all these copper ends there, they're going to be the side that go towards it. So you're going to use slight pressure towards the activation plates while you twist at the same time. Perfect. And then you're going to choose another grip as well.
There we go, my friend.
Is that made out of tauntaun fur?
So what I?
Yep. You just turn and press at the same time. You don't want to overscrew it either. It is scrap metal.
Gotcha. It actually screws it. I didn't realize that.
Perfect. Your next step is going to be your emitter. That's in your third section here. That's going to go right on the top here. Just a light twist on. No pressure needed for that. So any of the two in your third row.
There's a big weight difference between
Oh
these.
yeah. Yeah, that one looks a lot
I do like the way
heavier.
that this rounds out around the blade when it emits, but this one does have a certain detail to it as well. And once you have your emitter, you're going to choose your end cap or your pommel cap.
Sometimes I find it best to squeeze in the activation plates so that way you can see the threads.
A lot heavier.
Yeah.
Trying to decide if it's
Beautiful.
Here's how you'll treat the lightsaber top. This is on, and that is off.
Perfect. Alright, and this will be how you activate when the time comes. I apologize about that grip mishap. Rank R2. Smart choice. I always say that's your safest bet in this kit here, because if anything should happen to that kyber crystal as a blade, you always have a secondary
always-
weapon.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
Always stab him with that
see it
too.
with,
Just turn it around. It's upside down actually, you're gonna turn it around? No problem. I do want to apologize again for that grip mishap.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Wonderful
Some of the
choice.
newer gatherers have been around.
Wonderful choice, my
Man?
friend.
Yeah, sorry. I'm trying to decide
This
which.
is a raincoat.
Whichever one feels right to you. Whichever one feels more
Now, what
to you.
made you choose that? The power of it. Absolutely. It means you are one with nature. Well done.
All right.
What is your name?
How you activate when the time comes and to deactivate it. Let me get this out of your way.
See, you've also chosen elemental nature.
Yes.
Well done, my friend.
Thank
And
you.
you've chosen the raincoat tooth as well. Wonderful. Now, do you know what this is?
I do not.
This is the bone from a Carthusian whale.
Oh.
I swam for 4 days finding that whale, and it was meant just for you.
Thank you.
What's your
I
name?
appreciate it. Chad.
Chad. Well done.
Oh, that's too funny. Is that, did you pick the?
Oh, except it's flopped because you've got the leather on the back end and you got yours on the
Oh yeah. Which I guess you could. Did we pick the same middle one too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Put the whale bone with the tooth. Yeah.
I figured you'd hold on to this one. I wanted the grip in the like.
Yeah, I like a high grip.
It's also one of the This is made from the Rylock tree, which is stronger than any metal that you'll find in the galaxy. Well done.
How it's lined up.
How are you doing, my friend?
I like that.
Tell me, why did you choose these pieces? Honestly, I just thought good. That means the ancients are calling it.
Yeah.
You found this in the ancient Jedi
The
temple.
temple guard.
Well done. Wonderful choice. How about you, my friend? How are you doing? Good. Now tell me,
I'll check it for you.
what column?
It was, we got, yeah.
What's your name? Say that again. Laz. Can't wait to tell your story, Laz. How are you doing, my friend? Good. Now, what made you choose this piece here? Control. I see that you have remarkable control. It takes one with control to wield with control. Everyone place your hands on your hilt. I want the connection to begin. Think about where you will wield this lightsaber. Wonderful, my friends. You've all built your hilt and nothing extraordinary or traumatic happened. Yes. Which brings us to the most dangerous stage of the process. So please leave your hilt at your station. I need everyone to please step back. Now, my fellow gatherers are placing the lightsabers into the stabilization chamber. We are stabilizing the crystal for activation, and it takes one with training and experience like my fellow gatherers that you see here. How are you doing, my friend? Good? That's good to hear from someone standing in front of a box of thermal detonators. No sudden movements, all right? What?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
That was Master Yoda. It is time, my friends. Time for the final step. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will tell you to step forward, place your hand on the hilt, and on my signal, we will activate together. Are you ready? Yes. Good, everyone, please step forward. Place your hand on the hilt. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsaber.
Ah, complete. be with you.
Premature activation there.
My friends, what you hold in your hand is remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So for your new lightsaber, we are proud to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. My friends, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. Perhaps next time, we'll be telling your story. Till the spire!
Kill this fire.
Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Oh yeah.
Inspired.
Yeah, I think it's at the thing where it's at. What? Like different kinds of.